Hello, my name is Nika and welcome to Spotahome.com. Today we are in Kimmage in Pottle Green, and that is a nice area. It's closed by a gate, and you got the canal real close, and it's very pretty. And the bus stop is about a 5-minute walk, and the shops are about a 15-minute walk. And let's show you around a little bit. So this is the entrance. It's the main door, and when you come in, you've got some shelves here to your right, and the steps to the second floor, which we'll see in just a minute. Because first, here to your left is the kitchen. And you got your dishwasher, oven, washer, cupboards, and a nice table, nice little table, and the fridge, and a bit of a pantry over here. And well, the view, you can't see much, can't see anything actually. So down here to the hall, you got the sitting room. It's nice and cozy. Got your TV. Oop. And the chimney. And some nice comfy couch. And here in the back, you have sort of a dining room and office. Alright, so now let's go upstairs, take a look at the room we're looking at today. So you come up the stairs, and here would be room number 2, and this is the bathroom. Got your shower. It's a nice head shower. And here we've got the room we're looking at the moment. And you got some shelves. Got your double bed. And a nightstand and a lamp. Got a window, a heater, and the closet. It's a nice big closet. And here's the room. Alright, I hope this video has been helpful, and if you have any questions or queries, send us an email. Alright, see you next time. Bye.